15% to move in, ready for occupancy condo dito sa Uptown Bonifacio BGC. No annual lump sum, 3 years to pay with 0% interest. This is Uptown Arts Residence, located along 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio BGC. One of the highlights of this development is its low-density design, with only 12 units per floor, giving residents more privacy, exclusivity, and quieter living environment. Each unit is semi-furnished with international brand deliverables, and the toilet and bath are already fully fitted, making it ideal for end-use or long-term rental investment. Location is also a big advantage because it walking distance to Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers, Mitsukoshi Mall, and St. Luke's Medical Center. It will also be near the future Metro Manila subway, making transportation even more convenient. Plus, it's only around 25 minutes away from International Airport. So if you're looking for a prime ready for occupancy condo in Bonifacio Global City, take note, very limited units are left. Message me now to schedule a private viewing.